Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Paystack on a Wix site using Ecwid. Now for background, Wix is a simple drag and drop website builder. It's very popular because of its ease of use. You do not need any technical knowledge or any programming skill to set up a website using Wix. Ecwid is also similarly very easy to use. You do not need any technical knowledge as well. The added advantage of Ecwid is that you can embed your store on other sites. So you can build a store on Ecwid and embed it on your Wix site or on your Squarespace site, on your Weebly site, or on your site built using HTML and CSS. Before we start, the number one requirement is that you have an account on Ecwid on which you have set up Paystack. If you need help on how to do this, there's a link in the description of this video that walks you through how to do this. Now, why it's important to have this kind of integration is sometimes you will need to have a website that has more than a store, and that's where Wix comes in, because you can have other parts of your site and then you also have a store component. And because Wix does not have payment options for a lot of countries and for a lot of payment gateways, using Paystack to achieve this would be very ideal. Now, I'm going to go right ahead and show you how a payment flow is on an Ecwid store itself. So I'm going to head to our Ecwid store, paystack.ecwid.com, and then I'm going to add this t-shirt to cart and then check out. Now this is the Paystack option. I've chosen to name it Pay with Card / bank. If you see the video and the description that I referred to earlier, you'd see how you can name your payment method to a name of your choice. Now I'm being redirected to the Paystack site to complete my payment. Now we're in test mode. That's why you're seeing the red banner at the top and then this test card at the bottom. Test mode is for the purposes of testing how a payment works. When you're ready to go live, there's a live mode where you can start accepting money from your customers. So our payment is successful and we'll be redirected back to the Ecwid store with a success message saying our order has been placed. Awesome. Now let's head to Wix.com and then sign in. If you have an account, this is a great time to create one. So now that I'm signed in, I'm going to be redirected to the Wix dashboard. Now, once on the Wix dashboard, on the menu by the left, go to Apps. Once you're in Apps, search for Ecwid. Ecwid is going to show up as the sole option, so click it and click Add App. So we're adding now to our Wix site. Now it's still a pending app because we are not done setting it up. So let's open editor and go ahead with the process. Now we'll also be prompted again to add the app to Wix. So when the page finishes loading, just go ahead and click the Add App option again. Let's give it a second to set up. Great. This is how the home page of my Wix site is. Great. So let's add it to site and add app. Now we'll be prompted to either create an Ecwid account or to sign into an Ecwid account if we have an existing one. So let's get started. Double click this. Now if you don't have an account on Ecwid, this is a great time to do this. But I advise you already have an Ecwid account that you have already set up using Paystack. Now let's connect our store since you already have an existing account. Great, I've automatically been signed in because my Ecwid is already signed in on this browser. So great. So as you can see, my products have automatically been pulled in. These are the 3 t-shirts that I have on my Ecwid store. So just a quick run through the settings for this. Now you can change, what this has done automatically is to pull in the colors on this Wix theme I'm using. If you're using a Wix theme that's red, you're going to have red, and so on. So now that um, we already we already have the colors, you can customize it to change. You can change the color of your links to a color of your choice, and so on. Then Ecwid also provides this widget for Wix. So the mini cart widget allows a mini cart to appear on your site, which users can click to see what they have added to cart, and then they can easily check out. A search widget can be added to your site for users to search your Ecwid products. Now, this will only be limited to your Ecwid products. It will not search the rest of your site. Now, let's go ahead and publish. Awesome. Now, one more thing, you can see a page called Online Store has been added to our Wix site. This is the page where our products, Ecwid products, are being shown. So now let's visit the site and check this out. This will take us to the home page. Now to go to the online store page that was created by Wix. Awesome. It's going to load the page with our Ecwid products. Note that your design doesn't have to be this way. You can change it as you see fit. This is just a demonstration. So now let me check out this designer t-shirt one more time so you can see how similar the flow is on Wix and and on Ecwid. Um, let me check out. Right. So as you can see, the payment options are still the same name I named it earlier, the same instructions. So I'll just go ahead and click checkout. Now once again, I'll be redirected to the Paystack site and be given the option of checking out. So I'll put in the card details. And then go ahead and pay. So now instead of being redirected to the Ecwid store, we're now going to be redirected back to our Wix site. So as easy as this, you now have an amazing store on your Wix site using your payment gateway of choice. Thank you very much.